I think the most Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac qualified mortgages you can get is 10.
Mhm.
I have two. Um, so after I bought that initial house in Lake Edwards, every other loan has been what's called a DSCR loan, debt service coverage ratio, which means that you're intending on using this property as a rental.
Right.
And I think like the ratios are like 1.3, right? So if the mortgage is 1,000, then the rent.
Oh, that's dope.
I've never
Okay.
had somebody say no, right? And they have the right to say
R
no, but I've never
right.
had anyone say no.
Yo, I didn't that's
Um,
dope. I didn't think about that. Let me see your
bigger.
We offer a money-back guarantee to ensure you're completely satisfied.
Yeah, so a qualified mortgage that are backed by Fannie and Freddie just means that they're backed by the federal government. Means the majority of mortgages that Americans use, right?
mhm.
That's what we're talking about. We're talking about Fannie and Freddie Mac. Like the house that I'm living in right now, I paid 3.5% down, and you know, I think this mortgage is through like Wells Fargo, right? So that's the
Mhm.
bank, but the mortgage is backed by the federal government. You know what I mean? And then that first property that I talked about, those are just your traditional mortgages that most Americans use. The rest of my loans are from private lenders, private banks. I'm happy to share. I use a bank in Baltimore called Dominion Financial, right? And I
Okay.
use a loan product called a DSCR loan, where you're buying a house and you know you're going to use it as a rental property. Instead of them looking at how much cash you have, or your like W-2s and your bank statement,